Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Legian Street during the pandemic corona in July 2021. If you want to know the exactly condition at the moment in Legian Street, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Today I will explore Legian Street. Today on 3 of July, actually we are in lockdown. The government said we cannot do a lot of things during the pandemic corona, start from 3 July until 20 of July. Okay guys, let's see together how look like the condition at the moment in Legian Street. And now we are in Legian Street. You see, in the left side and right side, a lot of the shops still closed. It's very bad, isn't it? If you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And also don't forget to hit the bell, because I will more explore about Bali. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Legian Street. It's very quiet, isn't it? Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.